In this video, we are going to make $500 per trade in this our pocket option 5-second strategy video where we are going to use the parabolic SAR dots in order to make the trades. So watch this video very carefully because it is going to be extremely helpful in your trading journey to make profitable trades. This is the exact strategy that I have once used to turn my $10 into $2,500, and the video of that video I'll provide at the end of this video. Anywhere at the screen you can click on it and watch it. Just keep patience and watch the video. So let me make one trade at here because I saw an opportunity with this exact strategy. Here you can see we'll make the profit, and we have made the profit here. As you can see here, the strategy is very simple. Okay, you just need to make all of this currency pair favorite that has over 90% payout. Just make these stars yellow by clicking on it, and all of this currency pair will appear at here. Now if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Now once you have made all of this currency pair favorite, then simply click on these candles and select this candle and select S5 as your trading time frame. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now if it is flag at here, click it and make it clock, and you will see you need to click at here and select S5 as your trading time frame. Now this means your trading time frame is also of 5 seconds. So I'm seeing an opportunity at here, due to which I have made a trade in the another direction, and I'll explain you why I made these trades. We made a loss in this trade, but in trading these things happens. Okay, take it normally. So now let me explain you the strategy. So see, it's simple. Okay, whenever this parabolic SAR, so sorry, you need to click on this indicator and click this parabolic SAR. Okay, so these dots will appear in your chart. So parabolic SAR strategy is very simple. Whenever the dots are forming above the candles, then that means it is an downtrend, and whenever the parabolic SAR dots are forming below the candles, then that means it is an uptrend. And whenever you see this first dot and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, whenever you see this first dot have formed and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher or buy. Okay, as you can see here, if you had made trade by clicking on sell or lower at here, then you could have easily made profit. So we are going to make $500 per trade in each trade, and we have already made one trade profit and one trade loss. So watch this video very carefully and do like this video. I'm going to show you everything unedited. Okay, I'm not going to edit this video. You will see randomly, smoothly, there are no any edits. Okay, so that you can understand that this strategy is a working strategy. So here you can see one dot have formed, so we are going to make another trade because second dot have formed, and this shows that we need to make trade by clicking on lower, and we made a profit. So 2 profit 1 loss, we are already in little bit of profit. So now you can continue to move forward. Here you can see one dot have formed, so in second dot you need to make trade by clicking on higher. As you can see that chart is going smoothly right, and we have already made profit of another trade also. So let's switch to another currency pair. So our like 2 or 3 trades were right, and I already forgot. Here you can see second dot have formed and market have gone below. If you had made trade at here, then you could have easily made profit. So please do like this video. Okay, and I will be extremely pleased because the hard work I am doing to make you understand about this strategy. And if you like this video and make some comment, then it will help more other people who gets to watch this video. And these people, here you can see second dot I found, but the market is like a little bit loss. Okay, but it could have been gone in profit, that we could have known when we made trade, because when we click on higher, at that time market certainly could have calmed down and we could have made profit here. That's another part. Okay. So let's keep on finding, and don't forget to join my free Telegram channel where you will be able to see how you can copy my trades. So let's keep on switching the currency pair in order to find the right entry point. Here you can see there is 51%, so we'll cut that. Okay, we need a payout of at least above 90% with this strategy. Here you can see second dot have formed, and this trade could have also have gone in loss. Now these things happens. Okay, so you need to firstly switch to your demo account at the real time when you are sitting to trade. At that time, test in your demo account, and then if it is working at your demo account in that real time, and exactly at that time switch to real account and start to make the trade with the same amount consistently. There you can see second dot have formed and we could have made loss. Now one thing you need to understand, okay, whenever you are seeing this kind of pattern when you are trading in real account, so like let's make a trade at here because it is suggesting us that market will go below. Okay, but we have made trade and we have made loss here. Here you can see, so now the pattern is showing that this strategy is failing at this real time. Okay, so now what you can do is you can stop trading for that time, or what you can do is you can still observe the chart. Best thing about trading is gaining experience. Okay, you just switch the chart and see what are the things that are happening in recent candles. Okay, so that you can judge if this trade will go right or wrong. Here you can see in second dot the trade could have gone right. Okay, here in second dot trade could have gone wrong. You observe these things, okay, properly. We are still in profit, but let's switch. Here you can see second dot have formed and this trade could have gone in profit. Okay, so if you see again this kind of pattern in lots of chart, then you can again take risk and make the trade. So let's observe. Here you can see here you could have gone in profit. Okay, so let's switch. Here also you could have gone in profit. Let's switch. Here also you could have gone in profit. So in these charts you can take the risk, but exactly I'm not finding the entry point at yet. Let's keep on searching for the approach. Here you can see here you could have gone in profit this much long green candle. Here also you could have gone in profit. So what I'm seeing is in these charts from here there is higher chances of getting the profit right now. So let's switch to chart from here so that we can find places where we can make the trade. So here you can see here you could have made profit in second dot. Yes, second dot. Here you can see here you could have made profit. Okay, you missed it. Here also second dot have already formed, but here you could have made loss. So let's switch to another. Let's switch to another. Let's switch to another. Another. You need to have patience while making trade with this simple strategy. So let's again switch from here. Okay, because maybe there are other signals that are forming. Here you can see there was a signal but we missed it, and it was a good thing. It could have gone in loss. So let's, here also it could have gone in loss. So let's keep on switching. Again we'll switch from start. Okay, so let's see where we can find the place. Here you could have gone in profit. So here also you could have gone in profit. So now another dot would form here purely after some time. Okay, I think because market is going upward in upward direction and dots need to form, but again they have started to fall down. So let's switch to another currency pair and not wait there. So here you can see dot have formed, but the candle have gone in opposite direction. So let's keep on switching. So our dot have formed. Now we'll take the risk and make the trade because the second dot have already formed and we made loss in this trade. So let's move forward. In order to make profit here, we could have made profit, but we have missed that trade already. So here you can see here also we could have made profit. Let's keep on switching. I'll surely need to make some profit in order to show you that this strategy works. One thing that I have noticed that you Most people who are new in binary option trading, they like to see lots of profit, like 10,000 profit, this much profit. That kind of thing that you see in lots of YouTube videos are not possible in daily life. Either you can spend that much money in trading when you are new in trading. Okay, so you need to have a trading mindset of a consistent amount. Like if you are making trade of $10, then you always make trade of $10. And if your trading ratio correct trades ratio goes right, if it is good, then you will start to make profit, especially in binary options trading. So let's keep on switching. It's little bit hard for me to find the entry points at here, but I'm still not going to lose the hope and see the entry point. So now here we can get entry point. As you can see, market is falling down. So yes, we got a entry point signal at here. So we'll take the risk and make the trade. So let's see what happens in this trade. And we made loss, that's fine. So we'll keep on searching where we can make the trade. It's an opportunity, but this would have also gone in loss. Here also same thing. Again, this strategy seems to be failing at this time, but let's not lose the hope. Here we got another signal. Let's wait for a timer to hit 1 and we'll make the trade. So now what I'm seeing by right now is I'll enhance my trading. Okay, what I'm seeing is whenever there is a second dot, market have started to move in the opposite direction. Now we'll follow that rule. Okay, because extremely I'm seeing in all chart that this thing is keep on happening. So here you can see second dot have formed and market is going in opposite direction. This kind of pattern I am seeing a lot now. So I'll flip my trading strategy from here. So these things, you know, you need to have the mindset of like enhancing the your strategy if it is failing at the real time. So here you can see, so we'll make trade in the same direction now in opposite direction. Here you can see how the market is reacting. We made a profit. Now I have changed my strategy because the market is trying to take revenge on me and I am going to politely fight back and tell it to give me profit on it. So let's find out. Okay, yes, now I have made trade. Here you can see how market is reacting in opposite direction when the second dot is found. So now this is working at this real time. You need to feel it. Okay, so here you can see, sorry, I made trade a little bit late at here. I should have made trade a little bit early, but as you can see how swiftly market is reacting in the opposite direction and giving us profit. This way also you can enhance your trading, okay, at the real time. Here you can see in second the market is going up. Okay, these things are happening. Now still we are in a little bit profit, but I hope you are learning something new. Okay, I have not thought about this thing, okay, when I started to make this video, but as the market was reacting in the opposite place, here you can see market is reacting in the opposite direction, and here you can see we could have made profit if we had made trade in the opposite direction. Whenever the parabolic acid dots are down, at that time if we had made trade by clicking on lower, then we could have made profit in this chart too. So here you can see here, yes, we'll make the trade at here you can see market is trying to fall down. Okay, so here it may cause loss. That's fine. So now again we'll switch to the currency pair and start to find our entry point as we have changed the strategy and it gave us, sorry, here you can see second dot I found, but again we made trade a little bit late, but still we are able to make the profit. observe the market very clearly in order to find out what you need to do. Here you can see I made a trade in the same direction where the dot was formed, and let's see what happens. And we made a profit. Here you can see. So now still we are in profit. Now I'll end this trade at here because it will be too long, and I'm already in profit, as you can see here. So I just want to tell you that think it like a real person you are. Okay, whenever you are trading, if this exact strategy, when the second dot is forming, if market is not going in that direction, and if it is making you loss, then try to flip it. Whatever strategy you are using, try to flip it and see if it works. Okay, in that way you can still increase your winning ratio and be profitable in the long run. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Do like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.